Hey, welcome back, everybody. Just a quick little update. I got the Meta Oakley HSTN, and I changed out the lens. These are, yes, I'll put the other link down below when I do a full review. But man, for these waters, the deep blue glass lenses are actually really nice for this type of kind of, if you're outdoors and you're in the water, that deep blue polarized, these lenses actually work really nice. So if you want to pick them up for your Meta glasses, the Oakley HSTN, as you guys can see that there. These are the Oakleys. Actually, let me see if I got an ND filter. Maybe let me see if you guys can check it out, so you guys can see the difference there. See how much different. Actually, let me go ahead. I'm gonna pull out the ND filter. You guys can see how bright it is. See, check it out with the deep effect off your eyes or anything. So you guys interested? I'll leave the link below where you guys can pick these up online or any Oakley stores. You guys can just pick them up. It's easy to change out. So let's put this. Let me put this back in here, the ND filter. So I'll keep it back in brightness. But yeah, this is working great. We're out here. This is actually Convict Lake. So if you have any questions, leave your comments below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.